4.2 Activity time. A cool drink made from raw mangoes. Listen, repeat and do. Teacher, good morning children. Children, good morning teacher. Teacher, I am excited today, aren't you? Children, yeah. We are excited too. Teacher, why? Children, we are going to make curry panha today. Yummy! Teacher, have you brought everything we need? I will read out the list. Children, yes. Summer cooler. Teacher, we need boiled, raw mango pulp. Child, teacher, I have brought it. Teacher, a cup of grated jaggery? Child, I have brought it, teacher. Teacher, a spoonful of black salt? Thanks, Rohan. A pinch of cumin powder? Thank you, Sonali. Teacher, now, let's prepare our favorite summer cooler. Let's mix these things one by one. 1. Take a big jar. 2. Fill it with chilled water. 3. Add some raw mango pulp and mix it well. 4. Add a cup of grated jaggery and stir it well. 5. Add a spoonful of black salt. 6. Add a pinch of cumin powder. 7. Stir it well one more time. 8. Keep the glasses ready in a tray. 9. Pour it in, serve and drink it up. Isn't it yummy?